and he's been doing that for the last 2 decades. In fact, he just finished his 20th year of broadcasting UCF sports. His first season was Dante Culpepper's first season. That means he's been there for every game of the modern era of UCF football. He saw Coach Gene McDowell start the process of getting UCF into the big time. He's witnessed George O'Leary actually put UCF in the big time. He was there for UCF's first Division I game. He was there for UCF's first conference game. He was there for UCF's first conference championship game, and he was there for the first bowl game, and he was there, yes, for the first BCS bowl game. He's been there for, I think, more than 250 football games he's broadcast. More than 1,000 broadcasts when you include football, basketball, baseball. He's been there for UCF athletic events in 150 different campuses, including 5 in Louisiana alone. He's been there to tell us about the young Ben Roethlisberger playing against UCF, or that up-and-coming quarterback from Purdue. You might remember his name, Drew Brees. Yeah. Let's stand up and give a hand to our 5th annual Mikey's recipient of the Lifetime Achievement Award. Thank you, Mark Daniels, for painting the picture.